I'm Tammy.
And my name is Gordon. Welcome to Producing Delight.
Today we're going to be making food.
Doofood. So, Mom's friends recommended Doofood, and turns out Mom really liked it.
And the reason why our mom really liked it is because we didn't have to go out and buy groceries. Everything is pre-cut, and all we have to do is cook it. And now we'll show you the ingredients.
Okay, let's see.
So first is the beef and shiitake mushrooms.
The beef looks very good.
Next is the brown rice cake. And now is the stuff in here.
Let's see.
Ooh, there's some vegetables. Looks like there's some carrots.
Garlic.
And
what's this?
some onions.
Sauce. The sauce. Okay.
I don't know the rest, but it looks very
Tammy,
green.
I could feel another thing in there. Let's see what it is.
It's some sesame oil.
And the sauce.
And then there's some garlic. And some sauce. Okay, let's scan the QR code.
So, you get the instructions by scanning the QR code.
We're going to be making the royalty rice cake. So Gordon, there's 4 steps. How about you do odds and I do evens?
Okay.
Okay, let's look at step number 1. So you have to boil water on a pot, add 1, which is brown rice cake, and boil for 30 seconds on high heat. And then remove cake and rinse with cold water on a colander.
Actually, that's actually enough. Okay. Oh.
So what do we do while we're waiting for it to boil?
I know.
Chopsticks!
Yes. I didn't. No. I have a plan. I have a big plan. The next step is to put the rice cake into the boiling pot. But since we don't want it to splash on my face and burn, we will put it into a bowl, and we will use the bowl to pour it in, and so it will block it from splashing to my face. Okay, now we open it. Oh, it's this way. And then we dump it in. Okay. Now we just have to put the lid back on. Now let's count to 30 seconds.
1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. 24 Mississippi. 25. 30 Mississippi.
My hands were not counting right.
Okay, now we need to remove the rice cake and rinse with cold water on a colander. That's still step number 1. Okay, Gordon, this is your step. So just hold the handle and bring it over. Let me help you.
Yeah.
Oh, this is heavy.
I'm gonna do support. Okay. So now and then we dump it in. Okay. Now we put cold water in. Actually, I'm going to do this now. So now what we have to do is just let it drain in. That's it for step number 1. Yeah, step number 1.
So now it's my step. So let's just bring this over here. Okay, so the first step is to shake up as much as possible with the colander. So let's just shake it. And now we have to move it to a bowl. Get off.
Get off.
And now we have to add 1/3 of the sesame oil. Oops.
That looked funny. Mix well.
That's 1/3.
Okay.
And now we have to mix well. I think I mixed well enough. Now it's your turn, Gordon. Add the garlic and rest of the sesame oil and rice cake to a pan.
Okay. Put the rice cake in here first. So, those two. Okay, now let's add sesame oil. Okay, that's a lot. We add garlic.
Let me help you.
Okay, actually I already did it. Now we stir on medium heat for 1.5 to 2 minutes. Okay. Now it's starting to sizzle.
That sound.
Wait, it's
so
sizzling.
satisfying.
It's sizzling here. It's intensifying.
Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
Yeah.
You're doing a good job, Gordon.
Thank you.
So you need to add half of the sauce and stir for 2 minutes. Here's the sauce.
There's half the sauce, and we just need like half the sauce.
Which is 1/4.
Yeah. That's actually easier way of saying it.
Ooh, okay.
It's half.
Yeah, that's good.
That's literally half.
Here, start stirring.
Okay. Let's go. Whoa! Whoa, that sounds so good.
Okay, my turn.
Okay. It's like cheese. It's stuck on there. It's sticky.
I don't think cheese is supposed to be sticky. I think it's supposed to be stringy.
Well,
But that's just my opinion.
yeah, okay. Okay, the vegetables.
Oof.
My goodness, Tammy.
Okay.
Wow, this is a lot of things to stir.
Stir on medium to high heat for 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay.
Ooh, so there's onions, green onion, some carrots.
Okay, now it's getting really hot.
This sizzling sound is so good. It's so satisfying. Need to break this up because it's all sticking together. Oh no, we forgot the rest of the sauce.
Tammy. Well, it's fine.
Okay, so we have to push the meat to the bottom so it can cook, and the rice cake to the top so that it doesn't burn.
Oh, no, it's so good.
Okay, we're done.
Ah, it smells good.
Ah, so good. Okay, let's put it on some plates. There we go. There we go. Next
Yeah.
plate, please.
Okay. This.
This is so good.
Oh, it's so good.
So this is the finishing product.
And this is probably the reason why my mom's friend recommended it.
Okay, so hope you liked this video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
This is good.